In this video, we'll introduce you to the detail logger and show you how to use it effectively within the DCKAP Integrator. The purpose of the detail logger is to provide logs at the item level, marking each entity, such as a product, customer, or order, within the loop as either a success or a failure. The status option lets you specify whether a log type should be marked as a success or a failure. The Entity ID field allows you to store unique values, such as customer ID, product SKU, or order ID, making it easier to search for these IDs on the logs page. The short message can capture a brief overview of the message's nature. The detailed message can store the actual error message or API response. Here's an example of how to use the detail logger in DCKAP Integrator. In this workflow, we are creating orders from an e-commerce system to an ERP system. We have two detail loggers in place. The first one logs a success response whenever a new order is created into the ERP system successfully. The second detail logger logs a failure response whenever the order fails to create into the ERP system. After a sync is completed, the total count will be displayed on the logs page. Select the View Detailed Logs option to be redirected to the Detailed Logs page. On the Detailed Logs page, you will see records for each log entry. Select View Detailed Logs to view the detailed message for the log you added. Use the filter option to search by entity ID or short message. You can also use the filter option to search on the logs page. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.